Just think, this time tomorrow we'll be in Geneva, Switzerland for our first Valentine's Day.
I know. I went shopping today and bought special undies for the occasion.
Mm-hmm. Thermal? Because it's going to be cold.
Think it through, Leonard.
Gesundheit. Or as they say in Switzerland, Gesundheit. Getting a cold?
No, it's probably just allergies.
Do you want an allergy pill? Because I have them all. Prescription, non-prescription, foreign, domestic, experimental.
Do any of them work?
Not really. I'm just an enthusiast. Annie? You okay?
Does that sound okay to you? Do not come in here!
What's going on?
I'm having a tea party. What do you think's going on? I think I might have the flu. Or the plague.
Our plane leaves at 9 a.m. Do you think you'll feel better by then?